and today I'm filming alone again. Well, actually I'm not going to be alone. We booked a trip with my friends through EG Tour Bus, which is like a kind of a new service. So me and my friends Anthony and Anna have booked it together, and we are going to do a little trip to Pocheon. We are going to go to the Pocheon Art Valley, Herb Island, and get some like fruit picking experience. And actually I think that every other person in the trip is going to be like tourists or people who are here in short time, so it's gonna be interesting. The kind is coming, kind is coming. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so this is our bus. Turns out it's quite a big bus, but it's not all of the people who we saw now. We're back to the Pocheon Art Valley, and even though we took the tour bus, there's also like a taxi, and I think public buses are also going here.
Yes, I took the public bus last time coming here. Hola! The behind the scenes, like,
I was like, can you film me please?
thank you.
Okay guys, we're trying to remake the K-drama scenes. So
You be like look down. Like
okay. Yes, the backpack is with it. Okay, so I scrunch a little, right?
Okay.
Shit, I should think you laughing.
I think this one is more.
Yeah, that's
Just, just like the one which worked, and that's great.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this is what happens when you're traveling with a K-drama fans, and it's actually quite fun. Usually people don't want to do this with me, so if someone asks me, I'm like, yes, let's do everything. But I think out of all of the dramas filmed here, only Gyeonggi is the one I watched. But all in. So yeah, what I was saying, the real content creators take a few different outfits for a different place to match the place.
A few moments later.
So we got a quick outfit change and got a little bit, I wanted to say coffee, but not coffee, drinks. How do you like your lime, Anna?
Actually, I really like it. I was expecting another flavor.
It's like very strong, but very nice, I think. And even though I still need my coffee today, probably in the Herb Island we're going to get some coffee, but I wanted something really refreshing. So finally we have arrived to our strawberry picking experience place, and I even set up my hair and style up to that. It looks like it's going to be super hot in the greenhouses. I didn't think about it. I was like, oh yeah, like it's a farm wherever, but greenhouses are hotter than the actual air. So let's see how that's gonna go. Ooh, these are very pretty. Guys, we are picking the strawberries right now, but trying to get content and the strawberry picking together is quite a challenge, Look at this one. This is huge. I mean, you can see it. So we're almost, I think we're almost filled it in. Anyway, let's pick the strawberries and go to another location because it's so hot here. Hello! You're finally done! Ooh! It looks like a music video.
I'm the Beyoncé of Spain, you should know.
Okay, so we are in the Herb Island, and I kind of mixed it up with Urbanara. So there's two places. One is Herb Island, one is Urbanara, and this one is basically like botanical gardens. We have a little Venice, they have umbrellas here, and a bunch of photo zones. That tractor is so cute. The purple because of a lavender. So now it's a lavender festival here. And even the tractor is purple. That's so cute. Oh my god, it's gorgeous here though. And Thunderbird! Oh my god, we have everything. Perfect. We have coffee too. Okay, perfect. I will live here. Oh my, the aircon too. Okay. So we do have teas, drinks, and ice cream. I need ice cream.
I need an ice cream too.
We just got our lavender ice cream, and it's actually grown here. So in Herb Island we do have our own lavender fields, so organically, locally produced ingredients. Here we are. Mmm. So good. So good. Also have fish food.
They are already waiting here.
Iriwa, iriwa. The mulgogi pub is here. Oh, they are all waiting. They are so ready. So many of them. Okay, if I just spread it around, maybe it's better.
Here, just the big one. You need to bring to the small one.
Okay guys, so I think that's all for our adventure in Pocheon. So we went to the Art Valley, we went to pick some strawberries, and we went to the Herb Island, which is here. It's super hot, so I think that should be around that.
Wow,
Yeah.
so hard, but hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, it's
the
super hot.
trip.
Hope you guys enjoyed, and as usual, if you liked this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Bye-bye!
Adios!
It kind of reminded me of that thing, I don't know if you have seen this reel or no. Whereas this goes like this. So that's us now. That's literally us now. We're like, I'm happy. It's so hot.